Hello and welcome to the Lazy Gardener. Today I'm going to show you how I harvest my broad beans. Let's get started.
Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay awake and do them.
Today I'm going to be harvesting my broad beans. This is a dwarf variety that gives about 3 beans per pod. I planted these in little pots in late winter this year, and I planted them out in early spring. And now they're ready to be harvested. So what I'm doing here is I'm just grabbing the pod and I'm twisting it until it comes off in my hand. You don't want to directly pull them off the main stem because it ends up snapping the main stem, which is not what you're looking for, because not all the pods develop at the same time. So working from the bottom upwards, you twist the pods and then leaving the smaller and less developed higher pods for another day to harvest. Broad beans only put on one set of flowers, so once you harvest all the beans on the cane, it's best just to chop them down and plant something different. After I've removed all of these plants, I will be planting some French beans. The only problem I got this year with the broad beans were black bean aphids, but by either spraying them with washing up liquid mixed with water or snapping off their growing points, they weren't a problem after the initial infestation, so I feel happy with putting some dwarf beans here in their stead. After harvesting these beans, I shelled them, blanched them, and I froze them for the winter months. I enjoyed some of them fresh, however, I really do love them when it's really cold outside and they're just a great warm meal to have. Thanks for watching.